This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should clean the lookup keys first. This prevents n/ from mismatched spaces or hidden characters. Once done, wrap the VLOOKUP with IFNA or IFER immediately so you control the output. Make sure your lookup column is positioned correctly, or choose index/match or XLOOKUP if you cannot reorder. Also run trim on both the lookup value and the lookup array to remove leading or trailing spaces. Small differences cause n/ even when data looks identical. You now construct a resilient formula. Use VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, call index, false to force exact matches. Approximate matches give wrong results. If numbers are text, wrap lookup value and table column in value or use value plus 0 and use trim and clean to remove non-printing characters. Once built, nest the whole VLOOKUP inside IFNA, your message, or IFER, so the sheet displays a helpful note rather than n/a. This guides users and keeps reports tidy. Finish by locking the table range with $signs when filling down, and copy formulas as values if you need a fixed snapshot. If n/ persists, inspect the exact characters. Use len to compare lengths and code or Unicode on suspicious characters to find non-breaking spaces or invisible marks. If you find mismatches, apply substitute to remove the offending character. One key troubleshooting tip: test the lookup value and a table value side by side with equals A1 equals B1. That Boolean saves time diagnosing almost every n/ issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.